Menteri jang sarkar jela ka Kong Ampareen leng do mentakas ngi kalawan ban ya kynduh ya Bah Ardent hakajak thngan jongu naga benta ban kyrpad ya ban sange no ya ka jingshah thngan kebulah penlong nadu hakas ngi Bah hagane ka jinya krana keleng ka Kong Ampareen ka khot ya Bah Ardent ban wan ka jinya kran ber sarkar ban persnga ya kene kamat khnang ban keleng sarkar kelak ban simrai hagane ka jinya krana keleng Bah Ardent uang ba tang na ka sarkar kemenjur ban singap ke jing doa jang ka parti kata ban review biang ya kersar busan polisi na keleng jong ulang balak kelai ban weng hendrai kat pak sarkar kampat ai ke jeng penting na ke jing tho halal kata na keleng jong dalai lai kun ombeng setia ya kene ke jing yakhi susu na keleng ka Ampareen ka ong ka jing wan jengok jong ka galong namar maka don ke jing sengau ko kerpang ka beri ber ka kot khia jong Bah Ardent pat na kata kadau kam kwa pak ai ke ai kan jia ya Bah Ardent la ong ba keleng ka Kong Ampareen kam ne ban perwa ya ka kot ka khia jong ndai ka ban khuslai na ka benta kalawai ki khun samla jong ka jala
jangan
I think class itu, ada assembly dalam syah, commotion dalam bot. Apa kan yang alis bila kau should government lagi different. Kau nak dapat and all party meeting yang ada different di roster. For us, we don't need to discuss the roster. You know what is roster. They don't come. Kalau ba strictly we want to discuss on this issue. Kata kita lagi kuat aja kasi kalau madam review the resolution dan put on hold the roster because the roster is just a system to ensure that the policy is strictly followed. So we don't need an explanation about roster. Believe him so ko pangi kasi ko aja kalau very clear. We want to review the reception policy. Review the reception policy with the government. If the government agrees, once the government is ready to discuss on that subject to review, then in secret nangka, dibagi kuat. First thing yang ada trend bah, at least the ratio should have been proportionate on population structure.
I will look at all your
Yes. The government can try It has to be official. Government will write, then we will decide as a party.
What do you want me to write?
No. Better you write. I cannot simply take it like this. No? Official, it has to be official. It
In
has to
what
be in black and
sense?
white.
That? What do you want me to write?
It depends upon you, like, how the government writes to us. How
Then
the government
again,
looks
you
at
say,
this
oh, kami
agitation.
kamlong.
I think the government must be aware. The government must be aware that our agitation is based on the failure of the government to accept, or demand to review the resolution policy. So how the government is going to review that? It depends upon the government. It depends upon the government. But at least what we have mentioned openly is that this policy should have been proportionate on population structure. That is number one. That is number one. For further details, then the committee or the government may decide. No, this committee is not on resolution policy. It's on rosters. The government is trying to mislead.
Just take care of yourself. I've understood your mind now. I will talk to everyone. I've understood you. But I want to keep safe.
Yeah. What I will continue. I will continue.
Why people
No.
We need you.
Yes,
You are a legislator. Come on. Surely there's nothing na panghimla ka ba niya of course.
Yes. Definitely. Which is why we want to discuss this issue on the floor of the house. In fact, we decided first. We sought to discuss this issue on the floor of the house. We didn't want to take this issue on the street, but now this issue is on the street. So everybody, they are looking at us now. We just cannot simply.
Hapon gan wigin lang no?
No.
Dadaklan din ng basa.
Even without numbers, the government should have a concern on the seriousness of the issue. On the seriousness of the issue. Bila dah mentah kan sarkar ke shooting number baik. Tapi the issue kita long.
Dengan orang ni apa kata demokrasi kaya kita.
No. This is not
Demokrasi kaya kita. Wala sa private members. We have got
That is not democracy. That is not democracy. That is the rules. That is the rules and procedure of conduct of business in the house. So they are applying with rules, not with democracy. This is democracy.
That's the way the world is.
It should have been done in. It should have been done
One day you have the
in a real
numbers. You will
democratic
also
way.
not allow any other political
We
party.
will discuss real issues.
Okay, we'll discuss.
If we are in the government, we will discuss real
No,
issues.
we will. I just come here.
Okay,
I'm
thank you
very
so much.
concerned.
I'm very grateful for your
I'm very
concern.
concerned.
Okay,
I want
I'm
to
very
keep
grateful
fit.
to you,
I want to-
but we cannot decide individually. This is, you are coming
So
here.
you are saying now give it in writing. Now I don't know what you want in writing. So I will go back and I will find out what is this writing you want. I hope that even after that writing you should not do
Our
like
message,
this.
our message is very clear. The government should review. The
We are reviewing
resolution.
the
No,
resolution.
you are not reviewing. You are discussing roster.
We are reviewing.
I don't know
the
why you are
res-
confused.
eh,
Why you are confused? As minister, you have
Second
your
name.
mind has to be.
Reservation
There must be a
means,
clarity on your mind.
reservation means what? Reservation means number one, petty office memorandum. That's what you do.
No.
Number two,
Reservation,
penuh
reservation
yang
is how you reserve. No, you don't understand what is reservation.
So that is why you
Reservation-
make us understand.
Reservation is a policy where you reserve job for this class of people living in the state. That is reservation.
That is what the policy
Okay,
says.
so the ratio in the present reservation is 40% for the Garos and 40% for the Khasis and 20 for others, right? So we find that this policy is not okay in the sense that it is not proportionate in terms of population structure. We are more, the Khasis are more than Garos by 15%, by 19%. So
Khasi means what? Read oil. So
Yeah.
many of them.
yeah, they are all included.
Everybody is
Kindram
there.
Upanar. Don't try to divide.
I'm not
Don't try to
dividing.
divide.
I'm not dividing. I'm
Don't try
saying
to
let's
explain
not-
about the
let's
division.
not-
Don't try to
let's
bring
not
that
get
issue.
into that.
When we talk about Khasi, we all know that Khasi
I have
means
not come
Kindram
here to
Upanar
argue
Uboy
with you.
Uwa Maramulingam. That is the definition of Khasi. So if you bring Jaintia, if you bring Boy, then there will be another
worried.
problem.
That is
No,
what I'm
why should you
worried.
worry? It's the politician who promote this division. We are
I'm
promoting
worried.
unity. We are promoting
What we'll
unity.
do now
We call
is-
for the unity of the people. We are going everywhere. Let us unite. Let us have a sense of understanding that we are one as a community. When we say Khasis, we mean we include Panar, we include War, we include Hoi. So let us not bring that.
Let us talk about it. Let us discuss this in a proper manner.
I think
I have come here to tell you, but I'm worried. I don't want this.
So
It's
if
not
you are-
good for the
yeah.
state. Not
Don't
good
worry
for,
for
you,
me.
Not good for the state.
Don't
the
worry
state,
for me.
the state.
Okay, worry
Not
for
good
the
for all of
youth
us.
of the state,
I'm very concerned.
youth of this region.
Very concerned.
You worry for the future of our youth.
I'm very
Worry for the
concerned
future of
for
the state.
you and for everyone.
Not for me.
For you
Not
and
for
for
me.
everyone.
I'm ready to sacrifice my life.
Okay.
I'm ready to
Please,
sacrifice my
let
life.
us meet. Let us meet across the table. I've come here to tell you, please, if possible, withdraw your strike. Come, let's work. For the good of the state.
No.
So come, Lele. So, as you wish, as you wish. I have come.
Yeah, okay, thank
I
you.
have come.
Yeah, thank you. But as I told, we are ready to withdraw if the government decides to review the policy. And we are ready to go to the negotiating table with the government, to sit with the government if the agenda is on the reservation policy.
It is the reservation policy.
No, as of now, this committee that we are heading is on roster, please.
But
It's on roster.
I have come.
Yeah,
I have
okay.
done my duty.
Okay,
Please
thank
take
you.
care of yourself.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Thank you, thank you.
Take
So
care.
much, yeah.
Inayos ngawan, one request, Bah Ardent. One withdraw yung strike to you. Namar ba, ikwa man yung kren, kami kampahan, ano ba kasi. Tangkatang doon ba ito? Ngasuan, man request yung man smo ha, man withdraw, no? Kaka, agitation to you. Namar bang idon kam man yung kren. Lem da kating yung kren siya ay ingin yung boy sa binig-suko. Mla.
Atau kalau belum mau ada kadingun suan man kyrpad klem na kajing tho.
So, ini saya tak kata. Nga ngaday ka Emily, ngaday ka nung susunod. Nga slogan ka man wan ngalawan. Ngalale ila ka jong. kajing hot ke isya kajing langin saya hot iwan tin lak banyak keren
Jadi message tu Pak
passion ni ngangawan kum kanong song ngawan kum ke MNT ngadan kajing sausi kajing ba kulit lah ngadan pohok kawan ban request ni ban subha ban withdraw ya ka agitation tangkan tapi
atau pinta apa naman ito sa kinsa pwede pa kani ban song
ngin
na
saya kan ya ka ay kabanja ngimla pa niya kren pa nga kermen bakan bed iwan ban pen bed